Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So I have come up with a really exciting opportunity of hackathon for the students who is interested in AI, technology, healthcare and the innovation. What if the technology you built in a college hackathon would actually help you to solve the real healthcare problem? And what if you could take the idea from a simple concept to a working prototype and finally present it to the leadership team of the GE Healthcare? Sounds exciting, right? Well, that's exactly what the Precious Care Challenge 2026 is all about. In this video, I'll explain who can participate in this competition, how and the problem statement, how the competition works, and the different rounds, and of course the prizes also. So let's get started. What is Precious Care Challenge 2026 is all about? It is a hackathon organized by the GE Healthcare, but this is not just a typically college hackathon. The goal is to take the real world healthcare problem and give young innovators an opportunity to develop their practical technology solutions. You start with an idea, then you explain your solution. If your idea gets selected, you move to the building a working proof of concept of or the PoC. And finally, you get the opportunity to present your solution to the GE Healthcare leadership team. So basically, a complete journey from an idea to a prototype. Now let's see who can participate in this competition. The challenge is open for the full-time students who are currently pursuing the graduation from the second year to the fourth year or the post-graduation in any engineering discipline. And you don't have to participate alone. You can participate individually or else even you can be in a team of four members. And here is something really useful. Inter-college teams are also allowed. That means students from the different colleges, you can come together and participate as one team. Interdisciplinary teams are also allowed. So you can bring together students from the different engineering backgrounds also. So there is no limit on the number of teams that can participate from the same institution. But remember one important rule: once your team is registered, you cannot modify them later. And during the final presentation, all team members must be present. Otherwise, the team may be disqualified. So choose your teammates very carefully. What are the problem statements? Now let's come to the most interesting part about the problem statements. Here are the major four problems statement. So problem statement 1, AI ready medical imagining. So this will be focusing about the cloud technology and AI to help to analyze medical images and identify possible diseases earlier. So if you're interested in medical imagining, AI, cloud computing or machine learning, this could be an interesting area to explore. Problem statement 2, healthcare admission and treatment intelligence. This focuses on using the technology to make the healthcare admissions and the treatment related to their decision and the effective and intelligent. This idea can explore how the technology can improve the way the health sector process and that can be managed easily. Problem statement 3, AI model security. AI model security, in this it will be focused on mostly cyber security and the AI security. So if you're interested in cyber security, AI security, machine learning or software, then you have to challenge this and explore to this competition. Problem statement 4, earlier diagnosis. Here this will be focusing on the AI to help the prioritize patients and support earlier diagnosis of the disease. So whether your interest is in AI healthcare or cloud computing, cybersecurity or machine learning, there are different areas that you can really explore to this. Now how does the competition works? Here there are four major rounds. In the round 1, paper presentation. So here you have to present 2 to 4 slides of the presentation in the official templates. Your submission should explain the problem you're trying to solve, your proposed solution, what makes your idea different, the potential impact on the healthcare, and how you plan to implement your solution. And here is something very important: you must use the official idea submission template. Provide with the problem statement. Submission in any other format will be not considered. There are also additional requirements. The participants or a team leader must upload their PAN card along with the PAN card of all the team members. In the second round, the paper presentation round, eligible individuals and the team will get an opportunity to present their ideas virtually to the panel of the members. Here you need to clearly explain your solution and show why your idea is valuable. And in the round 3, proof of concept development. The selected team will actually build and validate their working prototype or proof of the concept, and you won't have to do everything alone. The shortlisted teams will get an access to the mentoring, technical guidance, and the stakeholder feedback to help and improve their solution. So now, if you are moving from simply talking about an idea to actually building it, and finally we have the grand finale. In the grand finale, the finalist team will get a chance to present their completed proof of the concepts, which is proposed solutions to the leadership team at the GE Healthcare's campus in the Bangalore. You will also get dedicated time to interact with the jury members of the panel, and the winning teams will get recognized during the finale. Imagine getting the opportunity to take your college project and present it directly to the industry leaders or at the GE Healthcare. That's a really great opportunity and learning experience you could gain. What can you win? Now let's talk about the prizes. The winner will receive the 1.5 lakh along with the certificate. Here, everyone will receive the certificate, even the participation certificate. The first runner-up will receive the 1 lakh, and the second runner-up will receive the 75,000. And all grand finalists will also receive the certificate of the participation. But honestly, the big value of this competition may not be the cash prize. Think about what you're getting. You're working in a real healthcare problem. You're building a technology solution. You're getting a mentoring and the technical guidance. And if you reach the finale, you're presenting your work to the leaders of the GE Healthcare. That's a pretty strong experience you to have your in a resume. So here is my advice. Do not choose a problem statement just because it sounds interesting. Choose something that matches your team's strength and the skills. Understand the problem properly. Think about the real users. Think about whether your solution can actually work in a real world or not. And most importantly, do not stop at the fancy ideas. If you can turn your idea into a working prototype, that's where you can really stand out. So if you're eligible, get your team together and start exploring the problem statements. So that's all guys for today's video. I'll leave the official details and registration link in the description box. And if you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Opportunity Hunt.